Okay, so now today I gave one topic in the morning session about population. So population is important topic. As you know, population of India is huge population, and all the economic development activities suffer because of population sometime, and we need to have some control of that. So morning my topic was different from now what topic I'm going to give you, and just also revise some kind of data details, census, and some statistics if this topic comes. And the latest update is related to Uttar Pradesh, when government is coming out with some kind of draft or policy document for two child norm or something like that. So this population control is something which is important. So my topic for you today is related to that only. So let me give you the topic and then we discuss on that. Okay, so please write the name of the topic. Population control must for development of India. Population control must for development of India. Okay, so let me repeat the topic. Population control must for development of India. Population control is must for development of India. Population control is must for development of India. That is the topic. So give yourself some time and then we start it. Okay, so I think now we can start it. And I started from Ashwini today. Ashwini, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashwini. Today topic for the discussion is the population control must for the development of India. This is a very interesting and engaging topic we have. I am not fully agree with this statement that population control is a factor for the development in India. So, as we have also seen some country like China, he has also the population much more than India, but but the country like China has 50 or something more year ahead of India nowadays. So I like to give the dimension in like in what a government is doing with that with that, and what an individual we are going to do with what about the population and the development of India. So I think all the members have a very good point to discuss with. So at that note, I'd like to open the discussion for all.
Okay, Kiran, please go ahead.
Good evening, friends. My name is Kiran. I am taking the opportunity to initiate the discussion. Today, the given topic for us is population control must for development of India. So it is an important topic that is to be addressed by every Indian, I guess. And I totally agree with the statement that population control is must for development of India. I think in this discussion, we should mainly discuss about what was the effect of population control, what is the effect of population in India, and how and what is the problem with the population and development of India, and how we can control these things. So I guess I classify this topic into two regions, like rural area and urban area. In rural area and urban area, the population control measures is different. Basically, some of the in rural areas, some of the method, that is contraceptive methods and all prevention methods, they are not aware of these things. But in urban area, most people are aware of these things, but still the population is increasing, so that we have to address the rural area and urban area differently in this state. So generally in India, the population is very high compared to most of the countries. In India and China now, its population is almost same, like it's 130 crore for India and 140 crore for China. It's almost same in both the countries. When we compare with India and China is as China is advanced, but still still China did so many prevention methods to prevent the population increase in Greece. The laws are very strict in China compared to India. So, in my opinion, we also should may need to implement some of the laws in order to reduce the population in India. And I am
Kiran,
starting
2
the
minutes.
discussion.
2 minutes.
I'm concluding. I'm opening the house for discussion.
Yeah, Hitesh.
Just a minute. So good evening, friends. So the topic given today is population control is must for development of India. I actually partially agree with this topic. This is a very current topic which is actually come up in the recent event of UP government's population policy draft and also Assam government's. So I will say that yes, population control has certain positive advantages regarding development, and also it has certain negative effects also regarding development. So we can say this is from Chinese policy of one child policy, China's policy, how it has held and what are the certain disadvantages associated with this. So, and also finally, I will say that what are the correct measures to be adopted by the government to direct these population control measures towards the development direction. With this, I pass on the discussion to my friends.
Okay, Vatsal. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, friends. Today we are here to discuss on the population control must for development of India. So we can discuss here the objective, why the population control is needed. Is it only for economic development or other kind of development also? So means the social, cultural development and other kind of standard of living. Then what are the benefits of controlling population? That we know that the resources are scarce and we need to use that judiciously. And there are many reasons why the population is increasing. The main cause we can see is the literacy rate, low literacy rate, and low income in the family. If economically weaker section, we can see there are higher fertilization rate. If we can take example in Kerala, which has very high literacy rate, their fertilization rate is 1.8. Compared to Assam, there is fertilization rate of 2.1. So the ways how we can control population, the one method is adopted by China, which is aggressive and force method, which should not be done according to me. And the other method is by spreading awarenesses and bringing some policies which is not that much aggressive, like we can see currently the UP government is trying to. So we can discuss on these topics. Thank you.
Okay, Manoj.
Hello, sir. I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Good evening, friends. My name is Manoj, and I am happy to initiate the discussion. The topic given to us is population control must be development of India. So this topic is the current relevant, and I am partially agree with this topic because it is not the only reason. It is one of the reason because the many reasons like uneducation and unemployment are also reason. So the given topic is on the population. So I divided this topic in the two parts. First is the what impact of the more population in the Indian growth and Indian development and how to resolve it. Sir, for the more population is the impact on the jobs also and also the education, because the main problem is the most uneducated peoples and how to resolve it, sir. The UP government take a decision is very right in this impact, and the China was take this type of decision. So the Indian government take the like this decision to control the population. So friends, I am very sure you have the many points to discuss and offer. So I invited all of you to participate in discussion, and I open the house for discussion.
Okay, so I think first round all of us have discussed, that is the introduction round, and now we enter into second round, which is actually the round in which you have to discuss among yourself for 10 minutes before we conclude. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
As an
So regarding
individual,
the population
I
of
generally
India
know-
in the present case, our the total fertility rate in Indian case is less than 2.1, which is the replenishment level. So I will say that in the national level there is no overpopulation or fertility rate is high. But it's a regional problem where certain regions like we can say Bihar and UP and certain West Bengal where the literacy levels are less, there this problem is more prominent, but there are certain states like Kerala where this problem is not that much relevant. So we will have to focus regionally to reduce the population so that it can help somehow in
Yes.
the development of our country.
Yes, you are
So
saying that
the population is
at
the
an individual level, at an individual level, we should spread the awareness so that this population control can be managed.
Yes, and we
So
can also
the
see
population.
nowadays as the health medical sector has improved a lot. So earlier, the reason for more fertility rate was that the children, most of the children, means more number of children were dying out of 1,000 at the age of 1 or 5 years. As that at that time, medical system was not there. So infant mortality rate has also decreased. So as time passes, we will see that the fertility rate, as they expect that they should have a certain number of children they're at their old
Yes.
age, they should be there to supporting them. So
Yes, yes.
And the
I think
population
also
increase in
has-
the India is
Yes, this is
more than
basically seen
the
on the-
increasing
job
a lot. I think
developed in our
our
India.
concentration should be more towards how this population is hindering the development of India, or whether it is hindering or it is not hindering. So first of all, I
Yes,
think we should
actually,
discuss
this
about this.
population hinders the development because
Yes, population
as we
hinders
have all
discussion
said that
because
we
as
have limited
Vatsal
resources,
told, the
and
resources
also
are
there is
not
less
plenty. The
opportunity for
resources are
all of us
limited.
to
So
work.
in order to
So that's why there is a there is a requirement for population control. But I will also say that what are the disadvantages associated with this population control policy? Like the China, what it did, it has like the Deng Xiaoping time. So they have started this one-child policy. So because of this, because of which, after certain a time, there will be increase in aging population, and there will be
number of
lack in
working
labor
Yes,
force
Yes, I
population
agree
will
with
when
you.
we
reduce.
don't
We
This
have
go
will
for that
increase
type of
the-
labor to
effect.
work, then
the
how your
any rule
GDP
of
and
the
everything
India
will
is
contract.
the time of
Yes,
any
yes,
5
yes,
year
yes.
and the 2 years,
As
it is
time,
the
as time
impactable.
increases, the country become the old when we go for
Yeah,
the
yeah.
one-child
yes,
policy.
so now we can see that
Yes.
the rate at which China developed for past 3 to 4 decades, now its
This is because
development
of
will drastically
he has
reduce.
managed to use
if
their population as a
man
power.
for, yes,
But
they
and
utilize their
this
human
cannot be
resources for
happen.
the development of the country. But now we can see that China is now heavily investing in automation as their major work
Yes.
aging
And now also
population.
they have
So-
added that you can have they have allowed that you can have 3 child because they have
Yes.
less labor force
Yes, yes,
participation.
less number
Yes.
of laborers.
So it's a
We need
learning
to
from
some
India
time to
also,
impose
not
this
to.
type
it is
of
also
It's
seen
not
that
a
it
good
has
thing to
allowed,
do
but
as
the
Chinese did.
peoples
I
are
think the
not
UP government,
now
what UP
happy
government
with
is
one
doing
child
correctly.
only.
What they are doing is they are awareing the peoples by what is the impact of this population and how to reduce the population. They are introducing the contraceptive methods and all to the normal people. So that is, I think, that is one of the correct method that is to be implemented all over India. And I
Yes,
think
yes.
in
It should be
this
people
topic,
centric, not
Yes.
government
Whether
centric.
in-
Government should not decide how much people should reproduce.
Yes, and I
Yes,
will
yes, yes, yes,
People
like
yes.
should
to
be
add.
That's
aware.
what
The role of
awareness
the
is more
government
impose
important
also
this type
compared to
of
increases
the
the
here.
laws.
policy
The
because
awareness
not
program is
having
more
the
important.
awareness of the this.
Okay,
Yes,
and
yes.
if we
Agree
are
with you.
talking about the
But the
development of the
role
country,
of the
if we
government
want
also
to
increases
focus on
here.
development, then the one thing should be kept in mind: if we have limited focus, we have to make limited focus on lesser number of children, then we can give good, better education to them. Their
Yes,
skills
yes,
can be
yes.
developed, and
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
it will definitely help in development of the country at later stages.
I
Yes, yes,
agree
yes.
with my
But
friend
the
that
role
yes,
of the government also
that if
The
we
increases
have
unemployment
here.
basically decreases because now the main problem India is facing is unemployment and poverty. If we reduce the population, then the unemployment and poverty we can reduce as of that.
So I partially agree with my friend in this case. Yes, that is correct. That if we have less number of people, then we can provide them better facility, better education. They can be developed into better human resources, and also it can be it is also possible that there is if we are I am saying that it's not that we should enforce them like the present case that
Yes,
the
so
government
But
awareness
we
will
can
educate
also
the people.
use as a
Conducted
population
and
as a manpower. But we can also
Yes.
use this population
human
as a
resources can
manpower
be used.
for the
So we need
development
to
of the
educate the
country.
people more to the awareness of this population,
But
and we need to time to impose this type of any policy in India, because everyone not aware of this, and suddenly we impose this type of policy of population control. It is like the very sensitive
These
topic.
types of
So we
problem
need
basically
to
seen
fight
in the poor.
but as we know that it is
to
not
educate the
in this
people,
current
like in the
policy, it is
population
not
control.
forced that you have to only 2 children. You can have 3 children, 4 children
Yes, yes.
also. It is not
But we
No, no.
restricting.
take
Yes,
the
it is
opposite
not
of the
forced,
government
but they
policy
have
also.
they are incentivized.
Yes,
They are
the
incentivized
intensive,
that
yes,
The
that will
government
be
facility has been
removed.
reduced, which has more than 2 children. This is the
So they
policy
will
of
not
the
get
UP
any
government.
benefits from government.
and
Yes.
it has certain controversial things also, because there are certain like cultural traits in certain people that they have a tendency to produce more. So it may be biased little bit as a like democratic country or having freedom of religion and all. So government should not take such like decision
Yes.
directly.
I
So
agree
It
with
is
you,
also
but
problem in the
the
joys
problem
and
is like
employment in the
see,
India is less
if the
than the
literacy
population. So
increases,
it is the
the
develop
population
our Indian development
population
and
control we
progress.
can do more precisely or more accurately, because as we know that the example of Kerala, in Kerala the literacy rate is high, so the population increase
yes,
is
I agree.
less
Yeah,
compared to the other
correct.
places. But here there is nothing much did, like more awareness, or there is now laws like UP government did that after 2 children there is some we will lose some government things. That there is nothing laws, no laws like
I
that.
completely
But
support
still
my friend in
the
this. Yes.
population increase is
Yes.
less in Kerala. So I think the literacy, I think the education is an important
Or
part
the
in this
education is
country.
very
Yes.
important.
So
Yes,
main
I agree with you.
way
The
by which you
main
can
the main is the not a population. Uneducated population is also a major reason of the development of India. So we can control and we educate the people more. So we resolve this problem to development of India.
Yes. I
Yes,
think there is one
we have
more
to more
aspect of
focus
this
on the
problem. Like
education
there
system
is some
so that
religious aspect of this
everyone should
problem
be
also. Some
educated,
religions,
and
they
this
are not
population problem
they are
can be
not
reduced
saying that they
in
can use
the
contraceptive
5 to 10
methods. They are
years.
in some religion this is banned. Their authorities are saying that you don't use this. Like the children are coming from the gift of God, so you cannot like you.
Yeah, yes,
but
that
now
is
if
correct. But if you can
But now
show
the
them
things
that
are
what are
slowly
the
changing.
economic advantages they will get, if they
Yes.
suppose a person is there which has only 2 sons, 2 children, so he can educate them properly, and we have to show them and present them in such a way that he will feel that yes, if I do this, then my future generations will be better educated, and my level of lifestyle will be
Yes.
enhanced. In these benefits, if we show them, then definitely they will like move ahead to do this
Yes. We should show them
artificial.
basically, like we should educate them. We should aware them about these things.
yes, education is the only way by which we can spread awareness to the people, and it will definitely bring population in control, and it will also enhance our economic development processes also. So
And now
that
also
is
people
the
are not that much interested in having more children, because those who are already in workforce, they know the
no.
current situation, how it is difficult for a single child to be educated and to make him do job.
No,
There's so
but
many
I
that
think
is
there
difficulties.
is
the
some
case
difference
you
in
are
that. There is some
talking about
difference
the
in rural
literate,
area and
the
urban area.
people who are
Person in
educated.
urban area knows
But
what are the difficulties to educate the person and all. But in
yeah,
the
I do
rural
agree, Kiran,
area,
with you.
that is
But
completely
I
different,
will
I think.
also like to bring in a point here that you are talking in urban area. Also, there are two kinds, different sector of societies. One is higher, those who are educated, and other is labor force. Though they are not that much
No.
educated, and they want the more helping hands should come. So
Yes.
if they will have more children, they can earn
They
more.
can earn
Their
more.
mentality is like that. But
Yes,
they are not.
correct.
They are myopic, and they are not far-sighted. So they are thinking of just near future. So
Yes.
we have to educate them.
As more number of child, more income is there, so
Yes,
they can live the better life. This is the
okay.
thinking of the poor family in India.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this
So I
time
think
the problem.
I think we can go for conclusion now. So Ashwini, from your side.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to conclude the discussion. This is the very healthy discussion we are going on population control. Some of my friends says about the literacy. Education is the one of the major way to educate the people about the population control and which leads to the development of the country. So as an individual, this is the very much important, and another point also raised that some of the belief of the religion is there to not use the contraceptive measures, and another point about in the discussion that we are as an
BR government's policy.
yes, about the government policies. So at that note, I'd like to conclude the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Hitesh.
Thank you, sir. So this was a fruitful discussion for all of us. So we discussed certain important points like in this present scenario is related to this UP government's draft policy and how the China's one child policy has certain disadvantages, like and what are the benefits of this population control. Like we have limited resources, better job opportunity will be there, better human resource development can be possible. And what are the disadvantages? Because old age, like aging population will come in future, there will be shortage of laborers and automation need to be done. And also there are certain religious beliefs which are hindering our implementation of this population control. And it is only by education we can penetrate this idea of population control, so that people will themselves be aware and do this, not by government force. This is all about.
Manoj. Okay, Kiran.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to conclude the discussion. Today, we had a good discussion. So basically, we discussed about many aspects of this topic. So first, what are the effect of population, and we all told that the population leads to the unemployment, and poverty also may be increased. So and the resources are limited, so we cannot transfer the resources evenly to the population. We discussed about all these things, and we discussed about the China's policy, and we concluded that this China's policy, like that policies cannot be applied in our society. It may lead to the reduction in the growth of Indian economy. And finally, we concluded that the education is one of the important things that can be used to prevent the population growth in India. By this note, I am concluding.
Okay, Vatsal.
Okay, friends, at last to conclude, we came to conclusion that most of us agreed that the population, literacy rate and economic development, they all are interlinked. And and we cannot just force to reduce the population or control the fertility rate. It can be brought in by some or some intensives can be given, but it cannot never be forced. It should never be forced. And the other benefits of population control is definitely the limited population will have better living standards. By this I will conclude.
Okay, so as I told you, see, population is an important topic, and so far 2 group discussions I have done on this. One was in the morning, where we discussed about whether population of India is a strength or its weakness, whether that is liability or asset. So that was one topic. You have to agree to that statement or disagree to the statement. Listen to that carefully. Today, presently we discussed about population control. And it is must for development of India. Introduction was is to be whether you agree with the statement or you do not agree with the statement. That you need to tell in the introduction only, and whether you partially agree or partially disagree, that also you have to tell in the introduction, and then you have to give some kind of dimension. So Ashwini gave that he said no, I don't agree. Then he gave example of China. So Ashwini did not agree. And Ashwini, did you give some dimension? I don't think you gave some dimension properly.
Yes, sir. I have given the dimension as the point of view of the government and as a view of the individual. What we can done we will do to protect for
Okay.
the population control.
Then Kiran actually divided it in rural and urban, rural area and urban area. That population control. In fact, instead of rural and urban, it would have been better had it been divided between high socio-economic group and low socio-economic group, because that would have been more appropriate. Why? Because the parents who are socio-economically more developed, more educated, they are following one child or two children norm now. They are following that. Low socio-economically developed strata, that can be in urban area, that can be in rural area. So that is not very much aware about the basically cons of high population or more number of kids. So I think that would have been better classification. Kiran. Hitesh said control has its own positive and its negative. I don't find that control has anything negative. If you say the same thing, Hitesh, for population, high population of India, if you say population has more population has positive aspect, negative aspect, I can still agree to some extent. But if you say population control is having positive or negative, I'll not say that, because control is always for betterment. And when we are saying control, that itself means that we are putting things in order. So how can putting things in order can be negative? It cannot be negative. In Indian context, control simply means if not one, at least two or one. It is not that no child. Understand? So control cannot be negative. Vatsal said reason for population growth, income, literacy. He gave example of Assam and Kerala. So that is what Vatsal started, but he did not give any kind of direction. Then Manoj gave the direction which I liked to some extent. I don't know what he meant by this, but he gave some classification. He said what and how. What is the meaning of control and how it is to be controlled? I think that is what he said. What is the meaning of interpretation of it and then how to control it? Is that what you said, Manoj, in the introduction? What classification did you give?
So like there is a how to the population impact on the India and how to resolve this problem, sir.
So see, in my opinion, I think what dimension we can give is this. Friends, the topic given for us today is the population control must for development of India. I do agree. Population control, not only in India, but for any country, population control is very important. And when we are saying control, we do not mean one child or two children or three. We simply means whatever a country can sustain, whatever a country can sustain. In case of China, control earlier couple of years back, control was one child norm. Now it is two children norm. So control means depending upon the resources, depending upon the requirement, socio-economic development of the people, quality of life of the people, and economic development. Depending upon that, how much should be the population? Sustainability is the name. Now, control, I think control is important for development of country, including India. Now, friends, I think we should divide this entire topic into two parts. Why do we need to control the population in India? Because now we are not talking about other countries, we are talking about India. Why do we need to control population in India? And if we agree that we need to control, how we can control? There are two aspects. Why do we need to control? And what if we don't control? That is one part. And second part is how to control. So I think we should discuss this entire topic in these two categories. Before we start discussing further, I will give you example. Why do we need to control? Because if the population is not controlled, it is out of control, all the developmental policies or developmental activities of government will go waste. We will not be in position to give the kind of quality of life to our citizens. So why control? This is important part. How control is to be done? Now further I can subcategorize this part. How control is to be done? Now different stakeholders are to play the role. Starting from the family, parents, they are to decide. Education plays a very crucial role in that. Then comes the civil societies, organizations, NGOs or social groups, and in which your ecosystem, village and other things come. Educational institutes, hospitals, where information campaign should be launched, media, because lack of awareness and information should not be the reason why people don't control the population. And then last but not the least, government. And when we say government, we have 3-tier government. Panchayati Raj is a grassroots government. You know, the government, direct government, which is in contact with people, is a Panchayati Raj. So that is the first tier of democracy. Second tier of democracy is the state government or state legislative assembly we talked about, and then the central government. Central government, state government, Panchayati Raj. So these governments, what government policies are there? Because government can always control population through incentive and disincentive. The recent example, Uttar Pradesh draft bill on population. Incentive and disincentive. If you have more than 2 children, you may not get government job, you may not get promotion, something like that. If you have a single daughter, government gives you money, government gives you incentive. So give incentive or give some kind of disincentive for not following. So control, that government can do that. You know, so some kind of that factor should also be there. So ये सारे का सारा टॉपिक कंट्रोल वाला जो है, क्यों चाहिए भाई कंट्रोल, व्हाई एंड हाउ, इस दो में मैंने इसको डिवाइड कर दिया. और हाउ जो है फिर वो आगे उसको सब कैटेगराइज कर दो. As I told you, like you guys will start thinking more and more about this categorization, and the moment you made the heading, then filling up those headings is very, very easy. So you will start thinking on that line with pass of time. As we practice more, you will start thinking. Like Manoj were very close to what I was thinking, like how it is to be divided. Baki, whatever you people gave the classification, I told you where you were wrong. Either those classifications were not exhaustive, or they were not very I'll say logically given classification. So that is something we have to understand. So after having given this now, then you have to think of why population control is important. And then you can always say that India as of now is divided into 2 parts as far as the population control concept is concerned. One is that part of India where parents are aware and the couple is aware and educated and doing job. So they are not much interested now in breeding more. They maximum 1 kid or 2 kids. But then there is a low socio-economic development strata. But unfortunately, that is a majority one in which they are having more children. They misunderstand the number of children to be source of their income. More children, more hands to earn. That wrong concept since ages is even prevalent in the minds of people. जैसे किसी के 5 बच्चे हैं तो वो 5 लोग हैं कमाने वाले, तो ज्यादा इनकम आएगा. That concept, they don't understand that 1 kid properly educated earning more. That is far better than 5 kids not educated earning less. That concept is not there. Then comes the religious. We are deeply religious society. We are deeply religious society where we consider that okay, the children are gift of God, and we should not basically stop the gift of God. So that is some kind of religious misunderstandings among students, among the couple. So that is also one of the reasons. So even religious bodies are to come forward and speak in that particular direction. गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी पॉलिसीज हैं, गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हैं, वो वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. रिसेंट एग्जांपल अगर आप में से कुछ ने कोविड के एग्जांपल भी लगाना है तो वो ये कि जहां पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है वहां पे फिर आपको कोई भी कंट्रोल मेजर, जैसे अगर पॉपुलेशन कम होती, लेट्स से 50 करोड़ होती, तो हम अभी तक मास इम्यूनाइजेशन कर चुके होते, हम इंजेक्शन लगा चुके होते 130 करोड़. देन सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ इसको ले जाओ कि नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर वेरी लिमिटेड एंड दे आर नॉट सस्टेनेबल. So if the population is more, population pressure is more, and hence the resources are not sustainable. So that will not be possible for that. And the limited resources, and that too they are not optimally utilized. So good governance concept is not there. So they are not utilized properly. That can also lead to the trouble. So ऐसे आपने, this is how you have to take this entire information. Now I told you in the morning group also to the students, like you take a copy, you keep a copy. All you have to do is 1 page, 1 topic. This is the topic was population control must for development of India. This is the topic. Write the title and then write the classification which I am giving you. You need not to see entire 1 hour GD. You don't have time. Don't see entire 1 hour GD. Go to where I'm speaking and where I'm classifying. I'm summarizing whatever you said. And that make a classification. This topic, how we have to classify. and then write most important points, 4-5 points. That's it. So one GD on YouTube, you should take not more than 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. 5 to 10 minutes, one page, one GD, one page, one GD. Write a copy. And believe me, if you do not write, you will not get the concept. If you do not write, then you will forget. And then once you have a copy, after 7 days, revise all the 10-15 GD topics, whatever you have written, and keep thinking also. Keep writing and then keep thinking, okay, this is how classification was to be done. And believe me, your mind will start working automatically in that direction. So it is not that you are born with creativity or born with creative mind. No, it is that your mind becomes creative in particular direction with practice. So if you start thinking on that direction every day, if you give yourself 10-20 minutes every day, then your mind will start moving in that direction. So whatever topics we are covering, you do that way. One page, 5-10 lines you are to write. And the topics which I have given you in the form of videos, you are to think on your own after listening the topic. Okay, what can be the GD topic? That title itself is a GD topic. And what can be the classification? And what are the most important points? Do this and you are done. Do this and this GD part is really done for us. Baki, this practice which you are doing of speaking and talking and all, you will clear this GD. That is not a problem. In fact, after some 5 to 10 GDs, your level is such that you are going to speak it. And in the actual GD, when you go, you will find the students without practice do not know anything. And this is with due respect to all of you. I'm not saying that, but yes, if you practice more, you get more expertise. You will find there that students do not know how even to introduce, how to enter between, how to conclude. They don't know that. And you will get an H. It is not that competitive. But if you remember a couple of lines in the beginning, which I've told you, which I've told to rote, memorize, and classification, you have done your job. So the moment you introduce, you have done your job. So all you have to do in 30 seconds is classification, classification, classification. And you do that, you have done your job. So this is how you have to revise it. Am I clear in all this? So this is the all thing we discussed. And जो डाटा आता है उसको अपडेट कर लो. जैसे उत्तर प्रदेश का डाटा आया उसको ऐड कर लो अपने पॉइंट्स के अंदर. This is how we have to go for that.
Sir, YouTube videos, what you have already uploaded in your PDA channel, those videos, earlier videos, we have to see and just write down those points.
So whatever videos you are getting, whatever videos like this video you are getting, उस वीडियो का टॉपिक लिख लो कॉपी पे और उसका क्लासिफिकेशन लिख लो. That's it. ये दो चीज लिख लोगे तो टॉपिक हो गया तैयार तुम्हारा, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. जैसे आज के टॉपिक में जो क्लासिफिकेशन हमने किया, इतना से अगर तुम्हें पता है 5-4 पॉइंट्स पता है तो काम चल जाएगा.
सर मुझे जैसे अभी थोड़ा आइडिया आ रहा है कि मोस्टली हम लोग WH क्वेश्चंस पूछ के टॉपिक को जनरेट कर सकते हैं पॉइंट्स.
आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड.
WH क्वेश्चंस इज हाउ, व्हाट, व्हाई, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस टॉपिक का जो हेडिंग है उसको बेसिस बना के क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं.
You are saying to discuss in the topic during the topic.
हाँ, कुछ भी टॉपिक जो दिया गया है.
Yes, certainly. But that is in the main body, second part. It is the second part, not introduction and conclusion.
Yes.
Introduction and conclusion में तो you are to give direction, and there you can say, okay, let's divide it into why do we need it and how do we do that.
जैसे कि इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग किए कि why and how, तो ऐसा हर टॉपिक में भी कभी-कभी what is this,
हर टॉपिक ऐसा होता नहीं है. And I tell you one thing, some topics may even classification is not to be done. I will discuss you that also. It is not that classification is to be done, so by force it is to be done. In some topics, classification is not required. It is not required and it is not done. But yes, largely classification helps you. It gives you direction, and then later on you get idea, and this is how you speak it. In largely topics. But yes, you can always ask a question, you can always divide a topic, you can always do some kind of this thing, dissection you can always do. This is called dissection. Wherever something comes which you need to define, like GDP of India and COVID versus GDP of India. Suppose that is a case. You define the first what is GDP. So friends, let me explain what is the meaning of GDP here. What is the GDP? And then, okay, COVID ka impact and all, that is also you can do. Sometimes you can dissect the topic, each point you can discuss. You have to speak something actually, logically. You can do that.
सर अभी आपने जो बताया कौन सा वीडियो देखना है सर? यूरोपीडिया के चैनल में जो वीडियोस है
देखो
पहला
आपके
वाला?
पास 2 वीडियो, जैसे एक तो हम जो ये कर रहे हैं डिस्कशन, ये जो नए चैनल पे यूरोपीडिया के जो नया चैनल है जीडी जीटी मॉक इंटरव्यू, उस पे जितने भी जीडी पड़े हैं एक तो वो करने हैं सारे आपको, दैट यू हैव टू डू। एंड सेकंड जो यूरोपीडिया उस पैनल पे, वो जो वेबसाइट पे जो वीडियोस डालता हूं मैं, यूट्यूब के वीडियोस, अपने नहीं बाकियों के, उन वीडियोस को सुन के वहां से डाटा आपने लिखना है। जैसे ये अभी उत्तर प्रदेश का जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ, इसके मैंने वीडियोस 2-3 भेजे हैं आपको, यूट्यूब के वीडियोस हैं, वो काम मैं कर रहा हूँ कि विच आर द रेलिवेंट वीडियोस, यू हैव टू सी दैट वर्क आई एम डूइंग, you have to only listen to those videos and jot down the important parts. This is how we have to do it. Chalo, then I think then you revise it, and morning topic also you revise, and we go for more topics, related topics. Okay, thank you.